This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the bonnet safety latch and raise the bonnet upwards. Undo the air filter cover mounting bolts. Lift away the upper part of the air cleaner housing. Remove the air filter element, noting which way round it is fitted. Wipe clean the filter housing and cover. If necessary, use a vacuum cleaner to remove any debris. Fit the new air filter, making sure it is the correct way round. Refit the cover and mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts securely.